Hello AT! It's another day closer to the Simula and Wakas Kick-Off Concert. Just an update lang, yung OOTD ko today is another Visor Society merch. 3 days na lang tayo until the kick-off concert. Wala akong masyadong ganap today because it's more of family time. Kumain lang kami ng buffet dito sa hotel and naggalagala sa mall. And nakita ko na naman yung mahal-ma. You can see and hear them everywhere here sa Philippines. So nakakatuwa lang. Another thing that happened today, lumabas na yung instructions how to get your QN for those who availed mosh pit and VIP standing. So for day 1, I'm VIP standing, and on day 2, I have availed mosh pit. Yung QN ko for day 1 is more than 700. Yeah, ang layo niya. And also, I'm 5 feet tall. So, hindi talaga siya ideal. But, titingnan ko kung saan ako dadalhin ang QN number ko. If more on shoulders and head lang yung makikita ko, ang plan B ko ay pumunta na lang sa likod at mag-party-party kasi at least nakikita ko pa rin yung SB19. Yung inuwi ko naman kasi for this concert, yung PH production, they have everything here. Yung mga props, yung backup dancers, W3, and also yung crowd dito sa Philippines. Iba talaga, mas maraming 18, very different experience. So, yan yung mga nilook forward ko. And for day 2, yung QN ko ay more than 50. May mga sabi-sabi na 100 per side lang daw ang mosh pit. Don't quote me on that one kasi hindi ako sure. Whatever it is, I'm happy with that QN kasi konti lang yung my chance na magka-mosh pits. Mas malaki yung chance na makita ko sila ng malapitan kaysa sa VIP standing. Okay, then tomorrow, I'll be flying back to Manila. May nag-aabang na sa akin ng mga merch doon, yung LSB Ducks. LSB Dusk naghihintay, and may isa pa akong merch I think. Then on the next day yung So Experience, then concert. So papunta na tayo sa exciting parts ng Simula and Wakas era. I'm so ready. I know you are too. Update ko na lang kayo ulit tomorrow sa mga ganap, and hoping everyone will have a good time and also maging successful ang concert na walang masyadong problema and safe ang lahat. See you when I see you guys on the concert. Bye!